Pratikji, one view on silver and gold on a regular basis, this space is hitting new highs. I know you don't like commodities as a fund house and therefore have largely stayed away, but I'm sure the AMC offers both silver and gold ETF, so that is more or less covered. But for equity fund managers, because of silver and gold, it's been a very, very painful time for the equity side because money has moved that side. Now, what is the prognosis? More gains for 2026 for silver and gold, or are we looking for some consolidation at least?
You see, gold is a store of value. One should see it as a currency in some form. Silver to me is an industrial metal. Now, gold, the narrative stays the same, with the less trust that people have on each other globally these days. You want something which you can store internally. So all central banks have been buying gold and shipping it to their own countries. Okay, no longer they want to even keep it abroad. So that is the sense you get. But that narrative has been there and there. It doesn't change. So whether one price is good or another price is good is very difficult to say. What is also happening is because there has been a price move, it attracts financial investors, and suddenly globally financial investors have gravitated towards gold, and that has created its own demand. Now, if the precious metal moves sideways for some time, maybe this excess demand that has happened will go away, and some bit of a correction can then be anticipated. But the narrative here is all linked to store of value, uncertainty, etc., etc. The narrative, a month back, 2 months back, today, tomorrow will stay the same. Now, silver is slightly different. Uh, to me, it is not a precious metal, it is more industrial, and more use cases of the same is emerging, which is probably putting some pressure on demand supply and causing some improvement in price. Yes, it is also a traded commodity on the exchanges. Yes, just because the price seems to be spiking, there is a financial asset demand also on silver, and it can have its own consequence. Now, gold is a deeper asset class, silver is not as deep. Silver price spikes have typically been way sharper versus gold. So one has to keep that in mind if
Right.
one is looking at silver. But if you see, even copper has been moving up a bit, even aluminium has been moving up a bit. So it is lots to do with newer
Yes.
age metals.